put that in the pile. Alright guys, I couldn't do it any longer, so here is the stock tailpipe and Honda muffler put back on the car. So I'm going to show you a quick little video on how I did that. This is just the rear section stock, and then the rest of it is still the Spec D resonator and pipe from the Cat most of the way back. So I'll do a quick video on that. What I do here is I use the stock piping, and I'm using this part number from O'Reilly. That's EG24023. I just asked them for a 2.5 inch exhaust gasket, and I bought a couple of them. So I put one on there and it leaks a little bit because this stock exhaust has a ball joint, not just a flat flange like the Spec D has here. You see the flat flange here. So I'm mating things together that should not be mated together, and seeing if I can make this seal up and have a quiet ride once more. Alright, there's the joint where they butt up together. There's the joint where they butt up together. It's almost a good seal, so I'm going to stack 2 or 3 gaskets in here and see if that gets me to seal up. Otherwise, I'm going to have to weld a flat flange on this one as well. Just cut it out of plate, which should be okay. Here we go. Here's a quick look. You can see where it's leaking. This way. And all over there. So, not a good seal at all. So let's see if stacking gaskets in here, redneck style, are going to make it work out. Let's see if it leaks. Oh, it's so quiet. Yes. Now the Civic is quiet again. That's amazing. And now I don't have a ricey Civic. Now if you heard a little rattle there, it looks like one of my heat shields is now hitting the exhaust because that stock pipe pulled the pipe just a little bit north, so it's touching the heat shield. But the heat shield is shielding my gas tank from the heat. So I'm not going to remove the heat shield, so I'm probably going to have to bend that or modify it in some way. So let me drive it and see how it sounds, and I'll probably tweak it from there. Thanks for watching Riggs Garage. I now have a non-riced, decent sounding stock Honda Civic again for my daily driver.